right, now we are going to compare decimals that have numbers to the tenths place. So our first decimal is 25 hundredths. And so we were comparing numbers to the tenths, and now we're comparing numbers from the tenths and the hundredths. Our next number is 50 hundredths. I'm going to shade both of these decimals in on our grids. What do you notice about our grids? Julio.
Look how each individual little square would be 100.
Oh, so these are hundredths grids. There are 100 here. So 25 hundredths, I'm going to write the fraction. That would mean I'm going to shade in 25 out of 100. I know that means 2 rows of 10, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 25 hundredths. 50 hundredths. When I say that, I know the fraction is 50 out of 100. I know I'm going to shade in 5 rows of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When I look at my picture, I can tell from my picture that 50 hundredths is greater than 25 hundredths. I'm going to line up my place values. I know my first place value before the decimal is my ones place, a big O. After the decimal comes the tenths place, a little t. After the tenths place comes the hundredths place, a little h. When I put my two decimals I'm comparing and line them up, I have 0 in the ones place. For my first one, 25 hundredths, I have a 2 in the tenths place and a 5 in the hundredths place. My second decimal, I have a 0 in the ones place, 5 in the tenths place, and a 0 in the hundredths place. I'm going to start in the ones. I notice in the ones place, they both have 0. I'm going to go to the tenths. If I look at the tenths, 2 tenths and 5 tenths. I know the value of that tenths to me is 20 hundredths. The value of that tenths is 50 hundredths. What's greater, 20 hundredths or 50 hundredths? Wally? 50 hundredths is greater. 50 hundredths is greater because of the tenths. Down here on the number line, I notice my number line has only tenths, but I know I can put my numbers on there. One's going to be really easy. 50 hundredths, I know that's the same as 5 tenths. 25 hundredths, I see I have 2 tenths, but I don't have 25 hundredths. Mary Caitlin, what can you tell me? Mary Caitlin said 25 hundredths is in the middle of 2 tenths and 3 tenths. She is right. So I would put a star in the middle of 2 tenths and 3 tenths. Because 2 tenths is just like saying 20 hundredths, they're equivalent, and 3 tenths is equivalent to 30 hundredths. When I do that, I can see on my number line. I can see that 50 hundredths is greater than 25 hundredths because 50 hundredths is closer to 1 whole. When I use the symbols, I have greater than, less than, or equal to. Which symbol am I going to put in this comparison? Michael.
Greater than.
So 25 hundredths is greater than 50 hundredths.
No.
Oh, you want to change your thinking?
25 is less than.
25
Is less than.
hundredths is less than.